Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are thrilled to share some fantastic room design ideas that will transform your space into heaven of style and functionality. Whether you are looking to revamp your bedroom, study room or living room, we have got you covered. So let's dive right in and explore these inspiring designs that will spark your creativity and elevate your. For start the video, I will request you please subscribe our channel for more inspiring videos. And if you like the design, please press the bell icon and thumbs up. Okay. Now, our first room design takes us to the bedroom, the sanctuary where relaxation and comfort are key. Imagine walking into this beautiful space adorned with soothing colors and plush textiles. The focus here is on a minimalistic yet cozy ambient. The wall behind the bed showcases a mesmerizing abstract mural, while the ceiling features elegant pendant lighting that casts a warm glow across the room. A sleek study table is seamlessly integrated into the design, creating a serene and functional environment. Next up, we move on the study area, a place where creativity and productivity go hand in hand. This design boasts a perfect balance of contemporary and classic elements. The wall shelves not only serve as an eye-catching feature but also provide ample storage for books and decor. The ceiling is adorned with intricate molding, adding a touch of sophistication to the room. A study table is strategically placed near the window, allowing the natural light to flood in and inspiring productivity and focus. Time to head to the kids' room where creativity knows no bounds. This playful design features a vibrant and interactive wall mural that sparks the imagination of young minds. The ceiling is adorned with glow-in-the-dark stars, creating a magical nighttime experience. A spacious study table with colorful chairs is designed to encourage learning and creativity. The cupboard in this room is both functional and fun with a custom designed shelving system for toys and books. Now, there you have it, captivating room designs that are sure to inspire your inner interior designer. Whether you prefer minimalistic elegance, vibrant playfulness, or a mix of styles, the possibilities for creating your dream room are endless. We hope you enjoyed this video and found inspiration for your own home. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. Until next time, happy decorating. Bye bye. Subscribe our channel. Okay, then thank you. Happy decorating.